Your car talks to you, not with words, but with noises. The problem is, most drivers ignore these warning sounds until it's too late, and that small noise turns into a massive repair bill. So in this video, I'll show you the 5 car noises you should never ignore. And believe me, number 5 is the sound that could literally save your life if you catch it in time. Stick with me till the end, and let me know in the comments which of these noises you've heard in your car. Noise 1. Squealing when braking. This is the sound of worn brake pads. Most modern pads have a little metal tab designed to squeal when pads are almost finished. Ignore it, and you'll grind down to bare metal on the rotor, multiplying your repair cost 3 to 4 times. Have you ever turned up your music just to hide that squeal? Be honest in the comments. Solution: get the pads replaced ASAP. It's one of the cheapest jobs, if you catch it early. Noise 2. Knocking or pinging from the engine. This one sounds like marbles rattling inside your engine, and it's dangerous. Known as engine knock, caused by poor fuel, carbon buildup, or timing issues. It means fuel is igniting unevenly in the cylinders. Why it matters: if ignored, it can lead to piston damage, cracked cylinder walls, or even total engine failure. BMW N20 and Ford EcoBoost engines are infamous for knock issues. Solution: check if you're using the right fuel grade, get spark plugs inspected, or run an engine cleaner. Question for you: would you rather pay $50 for new spark plugs now, or $5,000 for a rebuilt engine later? Noise 3. Grinding or growling while driving. Hook. This one is sneaky. It starts quiet, then gets louder until you can't ignore it. Grinding or growling usually means a failing wheel bearing. It often changes pitch when you turn the steering slightly. A bad bearing can seize and cause the wheel to lock up. Yes, even while driving at highway speeds. Mechanics often see drivers ignore this until their wheel literally wobbles. At that point, it's a safety hazard. Solution: get it inspected right away. Bearings are not expensive compared to the risk. Have you ever felt your car hum louder when you turn left or right? That's your wheel bearing waving a red flag. Noise 4. Hissing or whistling. Under the hood, pop the hood and hear a hiss. That's not your car breathing, it's leaking. Could be a vacuum leak, a cracked hose, or even coolant/steam escaping. Sometimes it's air escaping near the intake manifold. Vacuum leaks make your engine run rough, kill fuel economy, and trigger the check engine light. If it's coolant, you're minutes away from overheating. Example: turbocharged cars are especially prone. A hiss might mean boost pressure is leaking. Solution: don't ignore it. Find the source quickly before it cascades into overheating or turbo failure. Comment below. Would you rather have your car sound like a snake or pay for a tow truck? Noise 5. Loud clunking or banging over bumps. Every time you hit a bump, do you hear a loud clunk? That's not just annoying, it's dangerous. Usually means worn suspension parts, ball joints, struts, sway bar links. These hold your wheels in place. Why it matters: if a ball joint fails, your wheel can literally collapse mid-drive. Many accidents have been caused by ignored suspension noises, especially clunking that gets worse over time. Solution: get suspension checked immediately. It's about safety, not just comfort. Quick poll: have you ever had a passenger ask, "What's that noise?" and you just said, "Oh, it's nothing." Yeah, it's something. So there you have it. 5 car noises you should never ignore: squealing brakes, engine knock, grinding bearings, hissing leaks, and clunking suspension. Your car makes these sounds for a reason. Ignore them, and you're gambling with your wallet, and sometimes even your life. Now I want to hear from you. Which of these noises have you heard in your car? Drop it in the comments. If this video saved you from ignoring a dangerous sound, hit that like button, subscribe for more car-saving tips, and share this with someone whose car sounds like a marching band on the road. Listen to your car before it's too late.